Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we'll continue this JavaScript series, and in this video I'll show you how to connect the HTML file to the JavaScript file and how you can start seeing your changes on the web. So this will be the fourth video in our series, and yeah, just follow me and see how we'll connect it. So we have created a folder called like Coding for Beginners, this one, and first we will create a new file. So you click here and you create a, let's say, index.html. This will be the HTML file where we will writing all the content. And so to start writing it, you will write HTML and press arrow key down and click here, and you will see all this stuff. So inside this you can write all the HTML. So we will delete all this stuff inside the head because we don't need all of it, and we'll delete it. And I'll take you through all of it. So this is doc HTML. Inside this you can write all your HTML, right? Inside this you have this HTML. If you don't know HTML, you can see how to use HTML, but I'll just give you a really brief on it. So you start HTML from here, it ends here. All the tags, these are called tags. These all tags have an opening and closing tag. So see, it opens here, it closes here. So every time it closes, it has this backslash. And so this is the head. Head will be whatever it will be shown on your website, the name or something like that. So you will have title here, document, and body. Body will be basically your page, whatever you want to write. So I want to write h1 and I want to say my name is Abhi and I am a software developer, right? And you just do command S. And now if you want to go and see these changes on the web, like locally, you take this, right? And you take copy relative path, and then you go here and you paste it here, basically. Sorry, here basically. Copy path, and yeah. So you can see my name is Abhi, I am a software developer. And now if you want to see the changes, so basically now this is just the HTML, and you will say, okay, now let's put JavaScript, what this course is about. So if you want to put JavaScript, you can do it through two ways. First, you can write a script file. So basically you can write script like this. So this script is JavaScript, the back of JavaScript script. You can write script and you can start writing JavaScript inside this tags. So you can write anything, like you can declare a variable first, let. So you always declare the variable using let keyword and my age. So let my age equals to 23, right? And you can say if, so I won't take use of if. So let my age equals to 23, and now you want to show this age as soon as your page is loaded, right? So you will say alert and you will say my age. So what we did here, we declared a variable my age using the let keyword, which will be number, right? So 23, and you use the alert method of JavaScript and call this my age. So as soon as this page is loaded, first you will get the head, then you will get this body, all the h1, the h1 is heading, you will get this, and then you will get the script, which is JavaScript. So if we go here and we reload it, right, see, you got this page says 23. So JavaScript loads first. As soon as you press it, and it says this thing. So you see how it works. So that's one way of using JavaScript. Now you want to say, I want to display my name here. So you can say let my name. So this is just the styling I use. Always like first letter as small and then the second one capital. It's called camel casing. So you can write let my name equals to, now this name is a string, right? It's a name, and you will write like my name is Abhi Singh, and you just close it here like this, and you again call alert and you write my name. You save it you go there again and refresh it. So the first time it runs that alert my age, press OK, it run my name, you see. So you can basically run JavaScript like this in your browser. Now this is not how you will use it. When you will have a big application, you will need to connect your you will have a different file for JavaScript and a different file for HTML, so your code is clean. To do that, what you will do, you will delete this from here. Right now what you will do, you will create a new file. So in VS Code, you press here new file, you write script or index, like, so we'll write I index any name, but you have to write dot and JS means JavaScript file. So inside this file we'll write JavaScript. So I'll tell you again. Now we'll do the same thing. So we'll say let my age equals to 23 number, right? And I'll say let should be small. I'll say let my name equals to Abhi, right? And I will, what I can do, I can say alert. I already told you what alert is. In alert you can write my age. So what we are doing, we are calling this my age, and you can write this plus, it's operator. If you want to show two values in one method, you have to use this operator. And then what you can say, you can write basically some string inside it, like my age, and then you can write and my name is, it's just a sentence, you know, you can just write a sentence. And you can again use the plus operator because you want to combine it. This is called string concatenation. You want to combine this and the other variable which you will call, which is this. So what is your name? Your name is my name. It's stored inside this variable. Now what will happen, you have this, right? And if you go there again, you do this, see, nothing happens. Why? Because you have the file here, but you are not calling it inside the HTML file. What is this? This is end of the day HTML, right? Whole page. So you need to call it here. So what you will do, you go inside the body right here, and you will write script again. But we are not writing our JavaScript here. Our JavaScript is inside this file. So what we will do, we will write src. As soon as you write src, basically this gives the path. So where is our file? See, these files are on same level, right? They are exactly on the same level, like this is here and this is here, like, so you can just call this file here inside this bracket, index.js. When you do this, now every time after, once this HTML is loaded, it will say that okay, script, what's inside your src? It will say index.js. It will go there and call everything, and then it will again load the page. So this is the way to call JavaScript inside the HTML file. That's how you can link the file. Now if you save it and if you go here again, see, it says 23 and my name is Abhi. Okay, so I hope you understood what I was trying to say, and this is the way to connect JavaScript file to HTML file. You can make it more complex, and you can write if, you can use if condition. What is if condition? It's like just to say if this happens then do this, otherwise don't do. So you can write if my name, and now you want to compare. So I want to say if my name, I would say age. I would say if my age equals to 18. Yeah, if my name is equals to, so if you want to compare, basically, like if it's equals to exact number, you have to use 3 times equal, 1 2 3. But if you want to give a value to a variable, you use 1 time. So if my age equals to 18, then I want to say a message to the user that you are not Abhi, maybe, right? Or you are 18, basically you can say you are 18. Or, and so I'll save it and I'll go there. See, so what was my age? My age is 23, right? That's why this message didn't came. But if my age was 18, what do you think is gonna happen now? If you do this now, see, you are 18. it came because this condition was true. This message will only show if this condition is true, if condition. We'll talk more about if conditions later on, but this video was more about how to connect the JavaScript file to index file, and I've shown you. You just need to create an index.js file. In your HTML file, you just need to write this script tag, and that's how you can create it. You can connect it. That's all for today's video. If you like my video and my way of teaching, then please subscribe my channel, subscribe to this playlist, and like my video and comment if you need any kind of help regarding JavaScript. Watch you in other videos. Bye.